So guys, this is Gigabyte graphic card. So AORUS GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super Master 16G. I can say this is your graphic card. Let's check the deep specifications of this graphic card. So you can see graphic processing, socket number GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, core clock 2670 megahertz and reference 2610 megahertz, and DA core 8448, memory clock speed 21 GB per second, memory size 16 GB, memory type GDDR6X, memory bus 26 256 bits, and bus card PCIe 4.0, which is required connect with the in your monitor motherboard. This is socket number PCIe 4.0, and this is max display resolutions 7680 into 4320, and this is required the watt power supply 750 watt AMPS for this graphic card, and power connector 16 pin. Okay, and output for the connected your monitor on this graphic card. You can see this is 4 port, 3 DP port, display port 1.A, and 1 HDMI port which is 2.1.